Well, good morning and good afternoon wherever you are from the International Space Station. On behalf of all of Expedition 73, we are thrilled to have you join us today for two very special ceremonies here on board. The first thing we're going to do is start off with a farewell from our crew, Crew-10, who will be departing here shortly from the space station at the completion of our mission. And then we'll hand over to the ISS commander, currently, Takuya Onishi, who will initiate the change of command ceremony for ISS command to Sergei Ryzhikov. So to start off, Crew-10 wanted to say farewell to everybody. And as we complete our mission on space station, we really want to lead with gratitude for the absolute privilege of getting to live and work aboard this amazing International Space Station. All of us are keenly aware that we may never get to do this again, and we've been very pensive over the last days of understanding what we have all got to be a part of.
Eastern. And the crew there on your screen rotating in their seats in preparation for that splashdown. During that re-entry, they are leaning more on their backs, but when they are coming in for splashdown, they can sit a little bit more upright in preparation for that touchdown.
And on your screen from left to right is Roscosmos.